If you want to know how to fix TikTok app not opening problem, you've come to the right place. So let's open our TikTok app, and here, as you can see, everything is working. I can easily watch different videos, subscribe, follow, and do some other stuff. So everything is working as for me. But what if you have another problem? You cannot open this app. So I have some parameters. So why can't you do this? So firstly, let's open the App Store or Google Play, depends on your mobile. So here we need to input the TikTok and then just search for it. And make sure that you have the latest version. So if you have the update button here, please click on it and then just update the TikTok to the latest version. So this is the most common reason of this problem. The next thing we can try to fix is to switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. So this is the most common way why this app doesn't work. So probably you don't have the latest version or you don't have the internet connection. And the last way of how can we try to fix this problem is just to go to settings. On the iPhone it looks like this, on the Android it may look a little bit different. So here we need to scroll down to find the TikTok. As you can see, I have a lot of different programs, but we need to find the TikTok. So let's click on it. And as you can see, almost all of the settings are turned on. So everything instead of contacts is turned on. So make sure that all of your settings are turned on also. So this could be the reason of why is your app doesn't work. So please open these settings and then just check is everything is working correctly. So after that we can close everything and then just try to open the TikTok. And if it doesn't work still, we can try to re-upload the app. So delete it and then just upload it once more. So just simply click on remove app and then just delete app. And after that, try to re-upload it. So this is a way of how can we fix TikTok app not opening problem. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.